Hello and welcome to 3-Minute Theology Thursday. Today we are talking about the unity of God and the unity of His attributes, how the scripture tells us about it, and how it matters for our daily lives. Roll the intro. Okay, let's get 3 minutes on the screen and let's get into it. In systematic theology, Wayne Grudem talks about it like this. God is not divided into parts, yet we see different attributes of God represented, emphasized at different times. See, it's important to note that God isn't a collection of His attributes, nor are His attributes added on to who God truly is. Rather, God is fully His attributes. His attributes are intrinsically who God is. Now, the Bible doesn't ever show us one attribute as being more important than any of the other attributes. Instead, what it does is it shows us that God is fully all of His attributes, fully at all times. For example, in 1 John 1, it talks about how God is light. Later, it talks about how God is love. It isn't saying that God was light and now He is love. Instead, what it means to do is show us that God is fully light all the time and fully love all the time. But it shows us different attributes of God at different times because God is so magnificent, so glorious that if the Bible were to show us all of God's attributes and all of His glory all at once, we would be overloaded. We wouldn't know what to do with it or how to take it in. So in order to help us understand it at a level that we can comprehend, the Bible gives us one or two of God's attributes at a time to allow us to soak it in and understand it better. Now, here's something else to keep in mind. Different acts of God will highlight different attributes of God at different times. For example, creation highlights His wisdom and power. Atonement, His love and justice. Heaven, His beauty and glory. So, even though all of God's acts and doings represent all of His attributes in some way, shape, or form, they do highlight certain ones for us, again, so we can understand it and comprehend it. Now, why does it matter that God's attributes are unified, that God is fully all of His attributes at all times? Well, it means we never have to question who God is. We can know that no matter what, He's fully all of His attributes. So it's not like we have to wake up and say, I wonder if God is love today or if God is anger. Because we know that God is, no matter what, fully love and fully wrath and justice. So it allows us to know God more fully. Thank you for watching. My name is Jacob, and God willing, I'll see you in the next video. Remember to set your mind on things above. Over the next few weeks, we're going to shift to God's communicable attributes. So if you want to see that, be sure to subscribe.